cue the music right here. Well, welcome back YouTube, and thanks for all the recent subscribers and comments we've been getting. It's been a little while since we've done a video. We were busy with the beet harvest, and now we are heading south to Arizona. We're in early November, and we are at, no doubt, Bryce Canyon. This is our second trip. We were here 2 years ago, or 2021. And we did a trail. It was the sunrise to sunset trail. I think that's what it was. But
no, let me correct him.
I don't know. I didn't read the brochure.
So I did. And last year, or I'm sorry, in 21, we did what's called the Queen's Garden Navajo Loop Trail. And it's connected by sunrise and sunset. Anyway, so this year, we're gonna do it the opposite way. So from going from Queen's Garden to Navajo Loop, we're gonna actually start at Navajo Loop, which is where all the switchbacks are that you always see pictures of. We're gonna start there, go down, and then come up Queen's Garden.
We'll see if it's any easier, right? It should be.
I think it's gonna be harder on our knees going down, but I don't know what the ascent coming the other way is gonna look like. We still have to come up.
Yeah, we have good knees and I got a good heart now, so.
That's what we're told.
That's what we're told. So guys, thanks for watching, and we'll show you some Bryce Canyon. Yeah, so I think this entire trail that we're going to be doing, I think it's like 2.9 miles. Again, I don't read the brochure, so I think I'm kind of close. I'm getting a thumbs up from Chris, so I must have paid attention at some point. But man, the sky, it's just unbelievable. It's just blue as can be, and the formations are pretty cool. Yeah, so here's the switchbacks. It goes all the way down to the bottom of the canyon. It was not a fun climb up. Hopefully going down is going to be much easier.
So we've hit the switchbacks. We're walking down them this time.
Yeah, so early consensus says that we made the right decision going the wrong way, or I guess I'll say the right way. Much easier, and it's still early. Well, hopefully our battery will last.
We haven't even started an ascent yet.
But feeling the pain of everybody we had past coming up, yeah. Yeah, so if you've never been here and you happen to watch our video and remember that we gave you some really good advice, I think. We'll let you know at the end of the video. But yeah, and it's free too, free advice. Now, if you want to tell your friends and family that you did it the hard way, go for it. I won't tell. So we finished, and I would still agree it's easier coming the way we went. Not easy, but yeah, so we just got cut off. The battery on this GoPro just keeps going out when it wants to. All right, let's do this again. Third try. Thanks, GoPro. Your battery is just awesome. That's all I can say. So we obviously made it out of the canyon, and I would definitely say going the way we did is much easier. Is it easy? No, but still coming out.
I was huffing and puffing, but I don't think I'd be...
Huffing and puffing is bad.
I wasn't, yeah, as bad as had I done the switchbacks on the other side.
Yeah. So great hike. It's been a while since we've had a really good hike, so that was really nice. Yeah. And then we left Bryce Canyon, and literally there's a road just before the entrance. There's a sign, you know, obviously for the entrance. And it's dispersed camping, and there's at least 26 spots. There could be more, but we only know of 26. Road's really good, and got in with Otis really fine. Now we'll say if it's been raining or if it's...
I wouldn't do it.
Because there's a lot of dried up deep ruts that we... So I guess I've seen where maybe people could have gotten stuck, but hopefully not. We know about getting stuck, don't we?
We know all about getting stuck.
Yeah. So, if you like what you see, give us a like, give us a thumbs up, ring the bell for notifications. Also, check us out on Facebook and Instagram for more updated.
Yeah, we're a lot more active on Instagram.
Yeah, so Chris handles all that side, and Facebook. Occasionally I'll do something, but mostly Chris. But subscribe if you're not already.
Give Brutus some love. Give Brutus some love. He's getting old.
He's getting old. He's still doing good, though.
And his breath stinks.
But this spot's really good. That we're into dispersed camping. We're here for at least a couple of nights. Temperature's going to get really chilly here.
Yeah.
But we found a good sunny spot, so we're good with solar.
I wanted to just interrupt and say this is part of the Dixie National Forest Service. So these are National Forest roads that the dispersed camping is off of. And it, just to reiterate, it's not at the entrance of the park, it's at the Bryce Canyon sign. You know how every national park has a sign? It's right before that sign, the road is. So if you see the sign, if you pass the sign, you've gone too far.
And then when you turn in on the road, it's funny, on the left-hand side, there's a sign that says camping permitted, and on the right-hand side, there's no camping permitted sign. There's
some private, little spots of private land throughout here that I think people used to be able to camp on, but people trashed it. So you'll see no camping signs throughout, and then you'll see
numbered sites with
fire pits. And most sites you can get a couple of vans on. There's a fifth wheel down the road that looks like it got in really easily and has plenty of room for their site. So any size rig you can get in
And
here.
how much is it?
Free $99. Free $99.
Like when it's free.
Yep. 3 miles from the Grand Canyon. So you can't beat that.
From the Grand Canyon?
Bryce Canyon.
Grand Canyon, wow.
I think we're
maybe by crow fly.
I think we're just talking.
And I think we're getting a little loopy.
Let's just call it a day. Thanks for joining us.
Thanks, guys.
Bye.
Bye.